everyone, my name is Keisha Snow-Veley. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Did I slay this? I'm just saying cause you know, for a girl to have only 9 fingers, slaying like this, baby, you got to book with me, okay? BEAUTÉ by KSV. Shop, book, slay. So today I am going to show you how I pre-mold my custom full lace wigs, and I am also going to install on video my handcrafted custom full lace wigs. So stay tuned, you guys. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you hate it. Toodle. Slay the 9 finger way. So I'm starting out by just doing the baby hairs. I've already plucked them. Now I just cut the baby hairs into the hairline, and I'm about to mold them. So what you see me doing here is I'm molding with some foam. I have a very small tooth comb which I use to comb the hair back. I also use a toothbrush. Front line. When molding the baby hairs down on the wigs, you have to make sure that it's wet. So you can use a lot of product. It's not gonna make it bad. The more product, the easier it'll lay to me. You just take whichever way, however way you want the baby hairs to lay. You just form them with your finger. Take your finger, hold it in place, use the toothbrush, and just swoop it right back on up into the rest of the hairline. When you get around the ears, do the same thing. Mold it to how you want it to lay. I often have people send me pictures of the different baby hairs that they like or the look that they're going for, and that's how I get my mold down. So I have to go in, put some more because it got dry. And when I say don't be stingy with the product. Listen, the more product, the better it lays. I promise you. If you have a problem with laying your baby hairs, or a problem with them not going where you want them to go, you probably need to add a little bit more product on them. And make sure the part is right when you mold it, because wherever you part it and set it, that's how it's going to be. And like I said, I am doing these baby hairs according to what the client requested. Some people like extra baby hairs, some people don't like baby hairs. It's all up to the client, and sometimes it's for you to give your advice, but you know, the person paying for it, you got to give them what they want. You got to give them what they want. And they want them baby hairs, you better slide them on up in there. So here we have it, the ending result. Now, once I'm done, I take a neck strip and I wrap it around the head. Take it across the back, cross it. Make sure I'm getting that ear on one side. Make sure I'm getting that ear on the other side. Slay. Now here I'm going to take the neck strips off, which is the next day after it has dried completely. And everything that I've done have just laid so beautifully. Look at that slay. Look at it. Look at that slay. Now, here I am about to install this glueless custom wig. And I'm calling this a wig because it is a full lace wig, but I customized it, so it's custom. Take the combs, put it up through the back to hold it in place back there. as that was her request. Take the front, pull it down. Usually I go from the front to the back, but because I had those clips, those combs in the back, I went from the back to the front. And then I'm just gonna take it and cut off the excess lace around her hairline. You can do this before, it's just your preference, whatever you prefer to do. I always prefer to wait to cut it on the client's head because I never know where the ears are exactly, and I never want to cut it too short. So now I've cut all the baby hairs down. You see how it's laying, and that's because of the mold that I did prior to me installing this, and it has no glue on it at all whatsoever. No glue. I'm gonna shave her sideburns because they are too long, and you don't want, she wants a natural look. Natural meaning like it's growing from her scalp. So everything has to work together. Everything has to line up. Her edges, all that has to line up. So if you have to take off the sideburns, take them off. Now what I'm using is a gel. It's not glue. It's a gel that works like glue. So when people say glueless, they mean they're not using any got to be glued or bow hold or anything like that. But you still need some type of something to keep it where you want it sometimes. This isn't a need. Like, you can wear it without it, but she wants to make sure that it's secure. So this just gives you a little more security. Putting a little bit of gel on the sides at the sideburns and letting it dry. You don't, like I said, you don't have to have the gel, but she just wants a little extra security. So I told her how to put the gel on the sides. Now I am spraying some leave-in conditioner because she wants to wear the natural body wave look. She doesn't want any curls. She doesn't want it straightened. She just wants to wear it in its natural state. Like I said, how you mold the hair is how it will lay once you install the wig. Now I do have to fix the baby hairs just a little bit because they did get a little scruffled by me putting on the wig, but as far as doing anything serious, I really don't have to because I already pre-laid it. I just have to do a little touch up. And there you have it. There's the slay. Now once you put that on, you can seal in the slay with one of my wraps. Make sure you have all the edges laid completely flat, as I can see on this video. Now her left sideburn wasn't flat, so when I took the Velcro wrap off, it was flipped back. So when you're putting on these wraps, make sure that all edges are laying flat to the face. And that completes the slay. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, follow.
Well, thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you guys. If you guys enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. Share it. Tell your friends about me, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you will know every time I upload something.